night blossom. It looks different to life. Yeah.
Los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range. As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. Live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest.
There's also been when he's in a tank and there's like a billy. Maddie scared me.
2 for the first one.
Wait, what?
Stop! I'll end up hitting you. Hidden Mickey with python skin.
Oh, they smell so good.
Look.
Be able to see that. Alright.
Oh, yeah. Nah. He's coming for me. Oh my god. Hi, babe.
Before that, they were kind of cartoony looking. So bringing in the live animals gave the animators that look at the colors, the textures, the shapes.
Attention animators, in just 10 minutes, you're invited to take.
Everyone here is okay with low. From the Lion King, anybody? Zazu!
Yes.
It's not Pumbaa.
Yeah, not Pumbaa. Zazu was modeled after a yellow-billed hornbill. Peggy Sue here is a trumpeter hornbill, but they're really closely related. Now, Tony, I know when Walt would bring in live animals to the studio for the animators, there's some things that they would be looking for. Is there anything Peggy Sue can do for you guys?
Oh, she's looking at me really intently right now. But we look for movement, behavior, things like that, like what she's doing right there. But you know what? That flight in was pretty impressive.
Okay.
Let's do some more of that.
Okay, yeah. Let's try some more flights. Now, Peggy Sue is a trumpeter hornbill. They get that name from the loud. See that she's looking at all of you guys.
I like that one man there going, yeah, go ahead.
Like I'm not
He
moving.
stood just stoic. I like that. He's got, I mean, obviously she must have some pretty good eyesight to be able to fly that close, right?
Yeah, her eyesight is really, really good. She needs good eyesight.
Look at my picture, guys.
Let me see it, Hudson. I didn't see it.
Mine's just too good for you.
Very good, everyone.
Yeah, especially me. It's not so good.
It's me. Thank you. I think it was the people who went backwards that got really wet, wasn't it?
Yeah, and that one. Sprays and that one. Oh no.
That got the whole of my back, so...
You did get
Yeah. God, I've never gone forward.
I banged my head.
There was definitely no point in putting this around me.
I just banged my head so hard.
I don't know whether to go down or not for this one. When we were on the rapids, when the rapids finished, the getting off bit didn't line up properly. So he said that we can just go on it again. So we went on it twice. Hudson's got a Mickey pretzel. Me and Dad have got shrimp and chili sauce mac and cheese that's baked, so it's like English mac and cheese. And these were all a snack each, so we used 3 snacks and turned it. Looking very dark. Cheesecake brownie and I've got chocolate. Not really. drawings for a date night. So we've basically got, here's a date night. So we've basically got KFC in bed watching TV.